that they all have some sort of DNA in them, and maybe different, maybe like one's the plant, one's just like,
yeah, the one's bacteria.
Yeah, I think that like they
Basically all the same things that you
they
guys
could
said
be
already.
bacteria.
It has all those, and I think it's also three because
And I also said that they are all organisms
first two, but they have like some
or
sort of like
cells,
prediction, I guess. Yeah.
or cells inside the human body.
The last one.
So I'm not really sure if like they do, if they are one-celled organisms, but I think I'm gonna ask to see if anyone else think they reproduce sexually. So. And cytoplasm. The first two have cell membranes and cell walls, and they have similar features that they share.
Okay.
I said that we believe that there are organisms and they're inside their cells inside the human body, and they all have cytoplasm.
Okay. So you said that they're all cells in the human body?
And they all have protection in the body.
Oh, okay.
Zaire and I concluded that the first two cells that you showed up were probably that of a human or an animal and a plant, and then the third one we thought
Okay. And what, you said it had what?
they had a squiggly tail.
And what's the squiggly tail represent? Or what would you think it represents? Anybody else have an idea? Zaire? Traveling. Yeah. What does that remind you of? A snake? Okay.
A mouse.
Yeah. A tadpole? Oh, yeah, good. All right.
Well, this was before when I was researching what's in the but then obviously answers after. And then I asked a question about
I asked what it is.
I said, I said, what is the definition of organelle? And then I said that organelles are very important for the human body. And then I wrote your question. And I said, it's able to like back up energy where you have no energy.
Cells convert sugar and oxygen into water.
For
How did they get the sugar?
cellular organisms. I said this is what human beings are. And then it said at the bottom, the nucleus stores a special molecule called DNA. The organism changes